Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very pretty knitting stitch pattern. Friends, it is super easy knitting pattern. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like the same. So it is identical on both sides. It is reversible pattern. Look, it can be used for making blanket, frock, scarf, etc. Friends, it is only one row repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 10 plus 5 extra stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 15 stitches on my needle, 10 plus 5. So let's start the pattern. First row, right side, knit 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4, then yarn in front and slip 1 stitch purlwise, then remain yarn in front side and purl 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4, then yarn in back and slip 1 stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is knit 4, yarn in front, slip 1 stitch purlwise, then remain yarn in front and purl 4 stitches. After that, yarn in back and slip 1 stitch. Friends, at the last I have 5 stitches, so yarn in back, knit 4, 1 2 3 and 4, yarn in front and slip 1 stitch purlwise. Second row, we will repeat one row in the whole pattern. So in second row we will also repeat the first row. Knit 4, 1 2 3 and 4, yarn in front, slip 1 stitch purlwise, remain yarn in front side and purl 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4, yarn in back, slip 1 stitch purlwise. Now at the last I have 5 stitches, so yarn in back, knit 4, 1 2 3 and 4, yarn in front, slip 1 stitch purlwise. Friends, we will repeat this first row until the desired length of our pattern. When we repeat the first row, we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.